Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I will show you really easy step-by-step how to make these colorful flower spring earrings. They are really easy to make, they are done only out of seed beads, and I will show you with clear instructions, so by the end of this video I'm sure you will be able to make them. If you have any questions, you could always ask me in the comments and I'll answer to all of your requests. You could do several things to support me if you want to see more tutorials. One is to subscribe if you still haven't and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And also you could check my new merch store. There you will find t-shirts, mugs and hoodies and so many other stuff, and I will put here a link at the eye icon and down there in description. And this is a great idea for present for a beading friend or for yourself. This way you will support my channel, my mission and my cause. Thank you so much. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video you need really simple stuff. 3 colors of 11 ounce or 10 ounce seed beads, and I'm using ear wires, and I need size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice. And I use these pliers only to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle, but if you use flat beading thread you won't need the pliers, so they're not obligatory, because when the thread is flat it easily goes through size 10 beading needle. And of course I will use scissors. And now I will take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I will start beading. Okay, I have my thread on my needle and I will start by taking 12 seed beads and I will alternate them, one silver and one black. Okay, and I have my 12 here. I have my 12 and I have 6 black and 6 silver, okay? And now what I do is that I slide them down. I'm leaving a small tail here, and here what I want to do is make a knot, and I will make my knot by making a loop and going twice or 3 times through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull, and when I pull I have this. Okay, then I will go through some beads in this direction. Okay, and I want to exit here through one of my silver beads, and now I have this beautiful circle here. Okay, now what I want to do is take 2 silver seed beads and go back in circle through this silver one. Then I will go through this silver one more time and I will add 2 more silvers. Okay, just like that. And what I'm doing here is called herringbone stitch. Okay, then I will go through my next black and my next silver, and what I do is that I take 2 silvers and go back in circle through this silver, and then I'm going through this silver one again, and I need 2 silver seed beads. Okay, and what I do is that I go back again through this bead down there, and when I pull I have this, the same thing I had in my previous step. Okay, then I'm going out of my next silver And I will show you one more time. 2 beads, and I'm going back in circle. Then through this silver here. Again, I have 2. Going to the center of my work and through this silver again. Okay guys, and I will do this 3 more times off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 2 beads from this row. Okay, and now in this step I will go through this seed bead here and I will pull my work tight. Okay, I'm pulling, and now I'm exiting out of this silver bead here, and I will take 1 black bead and I will go through this silver here, and I will take 1 red bead and go 1 bead in this direction. Okay, then I will take 1 more black bead and go through this one here. Okay, 1 red, go to the center, 1 black, go through this one here. One red, go to the center, 1 black, go here. Okay, and I will continue doing this until the end of this row and I'll be back. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last red bead. And in my next step, what I want to do is exit out of one of my red beads. Let's say here. And what I'm going to take on my needle is red, black, red. And I will go back in circle through this red one here. And I will go through these 3 beads in this direction. And I will exit out of this red one. And I'm taking red, black and red, here it is, and I'm going around through these beads here. Then again through these 3 beads. And exiting out of my next red one. And I'm taking red, black and red, here it is, and what I do is that I go through this red one here. Okay, and guys, I will continue doing this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I just finished my last element from this row, and what I want to do is go here through this red one. Oops, my thread is sticking. And I will take 3 red seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this red one, I will go through this one here. Okay, and I'm pulling. Then I will flip my work this way, and I want to go one more time through all of those beads. Okay, and I want my middle bead to pop up from one side. Okay, then I will go one more time around those beads here, reinforcing my flower. Okay, and I want to exit here out of this red one. Okay, I'm pulling to the center and fixing my flower. Okay, now what I do is that I take silver, a black and a silver, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, I'm going here through this one, and now this is what I have. And here I need 3 red seed beads, and I'm going through this red one. And pay attention that it pops up from this black bead, pops up from the same side that this one is popping up from. Okay, and then I'm going again in circle through this flower, reinforcing it. And I'm exiting here through this bead. You see where my thread is. Okay, and I will take a silver, a black and a silver, going through my next red one. And I will repeat this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 3 beads from this row. Okay, and now in my next step I want to go through these 3 beads at the top. Now I'm exiting from here. Okay, and what I need is 1 silver, 2 black beads and 1 silver. So I have this on my needle, and I'm going here between those 2 beads, between those 2 side petals of my flower. Okay, then I'm going 1 bead to the center, and I need silver, 2 blacks and silver. Okay, now I'm going through these beads, and here through this red one. Okay, and silver, 2 blacks and silver. And if you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to like and share my work, because you help me so much with this. Thank you in advance, my dear beading friends. Okay, and I will continue this until the end of this row, and I'll be back. And here I am where I'm adding my last 4 beads from this row, and I will go here through all of those beads in this direction. And now I'm exiting out of this silver bead, and what I want to do is take 2 silvers. Okay, go through this middle red one. Okay, then I will take 2 more silvers, go through this middle red one, and if you can, go through the following 4 beads in one movement. Okay, then I need 2 silvers, and I'm going through this middle red one, just like that. Then again 2 silvers, going through these 4 beads here. 2 silvers, going through this one. 2 silvers, and going through these 4 beads here. And continue doing this until the end of this row, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here exiting out of this red one, and I'm adding my last 2 beads from this row. And what I want to do next is go through these 2 silvers here. Then I will take just 1 silver, go through these 2 beads, then I will go through all of those 4 beads, through those 2 again, take 1 silver, go through the following. Okay, and I'm going to continue adding 1 bead everywhere, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and here I'm just adding my last bead from this row, and what I want to do next is attach my ear wire. Okay, and in order to attach it I will go here out of one of my silvers. Okay, and I will take 1 silver seed bead, and I will take my ear wire, sliding them down. Then I will take 1 more silver seed bead and slide it as well. Okay, sliding them. Then I will go back in circle through this silver here at the top, and when I pull, you see what I have this. Okay, and now I'm going to reinforce this and make some knots. Okay guys, and I'm going through some beads in this direction after I reinforced my ear wire here. And here I will show you how I'm making some knots. Okay, first thing I want to do is make a loop and go once and then second time through the loop I've made, and then I pull, and I might want to repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, this is what I have. So if you like what I'm showing you here, there are a few things you could do to support me. One is to like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you still haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas, absolutely free. And you could check out my merch store, where you will find t-shirts, mugs and hoodies and so many other stuff, and you could give them as a present for your beading friends or buy for yourself, and in this way you support my channel and my cause. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.